Tree Removal Toronto Cost Guide, 2026. Are you wondering how much tree removal costs in Toronto? In this video, Toronto Tree Removal breaks down everything you need to know about pricing in 2026. Small trees under 20 feet typically cost between $350 and $600 Canadian. Medium-sized trees between 20 and 40 feet run from $600 to $1,200. Large trees over 40 feet can cost anywhere from $1,200 to $2,400 or more, depending on complexity and location. All our prices include complete cleanup and debris removal. We also offer professional stump grinding services starting at just $150. Toronto Tree Removal is ISA certified with $5 million in liability insurance. We proudly serve the entire GTA, including North York, Scarborough, Etobicoke, Mississauga, and Brampton. Call us today at